In this slide, we will learn how to name acids. All acids contain hydrogen and they produce H plus ions in aqueous solutions or in water. There are two kinds of acids, binary acids and oxyacids. So as the name suggests, the binary acids contain two elements only and they do not contain oxygen, whereas the oxyacids do contain oxygen and more than two elements. So the rule for naming binary acids is as follows. They all start with hydro and then root of the anion name ending in "ic" plus acid at the end. For example, HCl. HCl is a binary acid because it contains two elements only, hydrogen and chlorine. So since it's a binary acid, we start the name of the acid with hydro and add to it the root of the anion's name ending in "ic". So the anion is chlorine and chlorine would become chloric and then ending in acid. So that is the name of HCl, hydrochloric acid. Go ahead and name the remaining three binary acids in this table. The second group of acids are the oxyacids. Oxyacids contain oxygen and more than two elements. There are two kinds of oxyacids. Oxyacids in which the anions end in ATE and oxyacids in which the anion ends in ITE. So the rules for naming oxyacids with anions ending in ATE and those with anions ending in ITE are different. Let's first examine acids with anions ending in ATE. For example, H2SO4. How do we name H2SO4? Remember, the H2 part is the acid part and the SO4 is the anion. So the name of SO4 from the polyatom table is sulfate. So this anion ends in ATE. If the anion ends in ATE, then the acid will be named as an ic acid. Since this is sulfate, it will become sulfuric acid. Now let us look at an example in which the anion ends in ITE. For example, HNO2. Now H is the acid part and NO2 is the anion. And the name of NO2 from the polyatom table is nitrite. So this is an example in which the anion ends in ITE. So this acid will be named nitrous acid. The anion root is NITR and then it'll end in OUS and then you tag along an acid at the end. Go ahead and complete all of the acids listed in these two tables.